So hello guys, what a wonderful day again. So guys, today I come again with a new opportunity that I found at proofreadingservices.com. And before I continue further, I would like to ask a favor from you guys. Actually, I'm posting this content for free, and my only request, or just one favor that you can do for me is just to subscribe so that you don't miss any of the upcoming videos that I'm going to post, and to also like my video if you have found it to be helpful. So without wasting any time, let me begin with the opportunity that I have found. You can find this opportunity at proofreadingservices.com. proofreadingservices.com here. Okay, so just go over here. Let me just highlight where you're supposed to go. Don't open the link of the website, just open this first link over here. Okay, I'm highlighting it. Just open it. Let me open, give me time to open. Okay, so as you can see, there's this job that has been advertised on their platform. Okay, it is a proofreading job. Okay, so proofreading is like correcting errors in a paragraph, or maybe in a passage, or maybe in an article. You are given that task to correct the errors that are there. Okay, maybe grammar errors, maybe punctuation errors, among others. Okay, so if you don't know about proofreading, maybe go and research. It is something easy and anybody can do, as long as he or she knows what he or she is doing. Okay, so guys, how are you going to apply for this job? Just click on this red button over here, apply to be an online proofreader. Then after opening it, give it time to load. Today my internet is somehow weak, but okay, it has opened. Yeah, so you're supposed to fill this form, and then something that you're supposed to note. Actually, I had already opened mine, so that's why you're seeing this time that is over here is around 4 minutes. Okay, I had already opened mine. Okay, so you're supposed to fill your details over here: your name, your first name, your last name, your email, your location, state and country, and then you are supposed to answer these multiple choice questions. Actually, you are given 20 minutes. Mine is 4 minutes because I had already opened it. Okay, so you'll be given only 20 minutes to fill these multiple choice questions. Let me just scroll down. As you can see, you are supposed to pass these questions so as to be able to get the job, or to be able to go further. Okay, to go to the next step. Okay, so these are the questions. And then you're supposed to fill your professional experience. So these ones you can mark all of them. Okay, you can mark all of them, and then over here you can mark all of them. Okay, and then you agree to the terms of their service, and then you click that you're not a robot, and then you submit. Okay guys, today, because you have been watching my channel, even though it is a small channel which I'm requesting you to subscribe, I'm going to share the answers to the multiple choice questions, because I passed all of them, and maybe you might be having a challenge. Okay, like let me just highlight something. See this email that they sent to me. They are saying you passed our preliminary proofreading test. Over 50,000 people have taken the preliminary test, and very few have passed. So this is no small feat. Okay, so over 50,000 people have taken the preliminary test, and very few have passed. So let me just give you the answers. Okay, so over here are the answers. I'm going to scroll. You can use ChatGPT, but maybe the prompt might be wrong, so but you can refer over here. Okay, so you can see I'm scrolling slowly, so that you can be able to see the answers. Okay, so that you can be able to see the answers. Let me scroll again a bit faster. So those are the answers for the multiple choice questions, and then when you are done, just click submit. Okay, just click submit. If you have passed the test, then you will be taken to the next step. Okay, whereby you are supposed to do a proofreading test. you're supposed to proofread a certain 2 paragraphs. You'll be given 2 paragraphs that you're supposed to proofread. So like in my case, I got this image, this email, I mean, you passed the first proofreading test. Okay, so as you can see here, next and last test, I'd love to see in action with a short 10-minute. You are going to be given a 10-minute proofreading test. Okay, and you are going also to be given the instructions that you're supposed to use so as to be able to proofread those 2 paragraphs. Okay, so guys, actually I've received mine, but they are saying it's confidential, so for the purpose of privacy I cannot be able to share this on YouTube because maybe it can impact my channel. Okay, but let me just give you a hint of what you're going to be given. Okay, you're going to be given 2 paragraphs, and then those paragraphs will have errors. Okay guys, which you are supposed to correct. I've told you you are supposed to correct grammatical errors, spacing, punctuation errors, and others. Okay, just go and research and see what you're supposed to correct. But one tip that I'll give you, my guys, just go to this online tool that is called Quillbot Proofreader, like this. Maybe some people won't understand me. Proofreader. Just open Quillbot Proofreader, and then when you open it, you're going to see this website over here. This one will help you so much in proofreading those 2 paragraphs that you'll be given. Okay, and then there's also another tool that is called Grammarly, something like that. Proofreader. Just type Grammarly Proofreader, and then open it. Maybe you can create an account. Even this one is a proofreading tool. It's going to assist you so much. So just, if possible, use both tools. Okay, you compare, and the best is Quillbot because it actually shows the percentage over here, the percentage or the writing score. Okay, so you can edit with Grammarly and then complete your editing using Quillbot. Okay, and you can even try other softwares that are available. Okay, just write proofreading softwares in Google and then you can find what can help you. Okay, so guys, that's it for today, and something else in the next video I'm going to teach you how to proofread. Okay, it is very simple. It is very simple. It is not a heavy load. Okay, so guys, I really hope you're going to get this job. Okay, do your proofreading very well. Okay, and then submit. Okay, so you'll just open this link. If you pass the test, you're going to be given this blue link. You'll just open it like that, let it load, and then you're going to download this. I'm going to download this document, and they will also show you where you are going to upload it. Once you are done, there will be a link that will be put on the document, which you're going to use to upload or to submit the what you have done. Okay, so guys, I really hope you have enjoyed my video. My humble request is for you to subscribe to my channel, to like this video, and to share with your loved ones. And I'm not guaranteeing you that you're going to get the job, but it is better to try. That is what I usually say. Okay, just try and see if it is going to work on your side, if you're going to get the favor of getting that job. Okay guys, so see you on the next video.